Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn about the masculine and feminine gender. He used for the masculine and she used for the feminine. ही म्हणजे तो आणि सी म्हणजे ती. Words are called of the masculine gender. Example of king, son, father, dog, cock. C word are called for words of the feminine gender. Queen, daughter, mother, beach, head. Example of that. Then more example are given here. Masculine and feminine. Boy, girl, man, woman, brother, sister, father, mother, papa, mama, son, daughter, husband, wife, uncle, aunt, nephew, niece, bridegroom, bride, gentleman, lady, grandfather, grandmother, grandson, granddaughter, prince, princess, king, queen, hero, heroine, sir, madam, actor, actress, bull, cow, cock, hen, dog, beach, horse, mare, ox, cow, god, goddess, lion, lioness, tiger, tigress, he, she, his, her. Thank you for